Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have a computer and preferences. Start by checking your display resolution and scale so images fit without blur. Once done, collect sources quickly. High-res photos, curated packs, or an AI generator set to your exact resolution. Make folders now: originals, edited, final, and backup originals to prevent accidental loss. Then pick a single target wallpaper to work on first so you avoid decision paralysis, and proceed to editing with a clear reference image. Open your target image in an editor and crop precisely to your screen resolution. This prevents scaling artifacts. Once cropped, adjust exposure, contrast, and color balance to make colors pop without clipping highlights. Use spot healing or content-aware fill to remove distractions. If you need icons to remain visible, add a subtle vignette, gradient, or Gaussian blur behind the center area. This improves legibility and gives a polished look. Save progressive versions so you can revert if a change fails. Apply the final image through your OS wallpaper settings and select the correct fit option. Choose fill or center depending on composition. Once set, automate rotation with a wallpaper manager or scheduled script and configure per monitor images if you use multiple displays. Make a final export at native resolution and keep an optimized copy. If the result appears blurry, check the saved file resolution, display scaling, and GPU driver settings. As a quick fix, re-export at exactly the display pixels and toggle the fit option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.